we got this for New Day.
Welcome to Aayan Aussie Adventure. What do you got today, Aayan?
I got this one that just
Magnetic
awesome.
tiles. Do you want to open it?
So later, and that's why I thought this one to make a chimney. This one make a house.
Yeah, it's a magnetic tile house. From where you bought this one?
I got this one for this shopping, and this why I got the dinosaur, the shopping, and this.
So which shop you got it from? Kmart?
No shopping.
Shopping, yeah.
We have all of the merchandise.
Yeah, you got all the sets here.
We have sorted this one. We need the space, right?
So this is all the things you can make.
We need to make it like a house.
Yeah, make it. Let's make it.
Yes. Yeah, all right, everyone. We can make this. What's what? This is. That's why we make it. And this. And that's why I can make it. See, Papa. We can do this. But you do this. And this one. And also another one, this one, and we have also this one finger. Also we need to do this like this, and we have also the windows. You see, we have to do this one sticky strip.
With this one?
Yeah, you can also put arrows. Do this one. Do this one. Purple one did this.
There you go.
Yes. And from we need pink.
Pink one.
And from pink.
Yes.
And we have white. We need the really. How do we need to do this and make it?
So what are you making?
I'm making a code to just say room.
Okay. Do you want to make a house?
Yes.
A proper one? So see the instructions over there how to make a house.
See tricks.
There's instructions.
Triction.
Yeah.
We need to make a house of trees.
Show me. So this is all the instructions you have to make a house in.
Especially we need to make a house.
Yes.
Alright. We do this. And we do also this. We do also this. We do the little ones.
Okay. Alright, you make it the way you like.
This little ones. Little ones. And this one for this. And yellow one for this. And yellow one for this. And one for this. See, we have all of them. We make a car. And we can also make this. Yeah. And we make a house attraction.
You sure this is the exact house which it shows in the picture?
Yes.
No, it doesn't like to me.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the design you like for your house. Yes.
Yes.
That's
Bye.
it. You wanna say bye now? You don't wanna show your other toys?
Yes.
Show the other toys. So many toys you have.
We have a turtle one.
The turtle ones.
We have a turtle ones, and I get your ball.
Yeah. We'll find the balls later. What else you have? Show the other toys. Show the Spider-Man, Supermans.
I have Spider, Superman, and
Yeah.
where's the spider?
Don't know. It's maybe gone. Maybe in your bucket.
Maybe I found a post in this Vibrator.
Yes, that's
It's
right.
simple and fine. Take also toys.
Yeah.
Image Batman, robots, Tricky, and versus Milkcake and Fly Mini Batman. Look, Mini Batman.
Yeah, the Batman.
Hello, I'm a Mini Batman. Look. Ah! And I can also mommy, daddy right here. Yeah, there's it. There's daddy and mommy. I see here's a trick.
We have our camping
There's
chairs
a
and
mix.
sleeping bags.
And look, we have a rumble. And I can find also balls. And you can make an action. And I see you later, everyone. And the dinosaur. So
So the next video you're gonna make for dinosaur one.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, say everyone bye bye.
Bye everyone. I'll see you later for the next video.
Yeah, and if you like this video, please subscribe so you can stay tuned for more videos and updates. Yes?
Ting ting.
Bye bye.
Bye.